So for the last couple of years now, we've been looking for a hose reel to put out here in the front yard space for my wife to be able to water and maintain her flowers during the spring and summer months. And while we had a nice little rack here on the post, and that's done just fine all these years, it was somewhat unsightly out here on the front side of our house. And we've been looking for something that maybe be a little bit more attractive and also be a little bit more functional at the same time. That's when I found this unit by Giraffe Tools, and they were nice enough to send this out to me to try out and review. And I've had the opportunity to do that for the last couple of days now, and I really do think this is actually a pretty nice unit. Let's take a second to go over a few of the features that I think make this thing somewhat unique compared to a lot of your other hose reels. So first off, this thing actually mounts to the ground instead of it mounting to a post or a stake. And what's cool about that is you can mount this to the dirt like I've got here, and you have these 4 stakes that it comes with. Now these have a metal rod on the inside of the stake, and then they're coated with the plastic, and then the top side has a threaded section here where you can kind of lock that down and get the tension just right. And that's the way I've decided to mount this, but you can also use the supplied lag screws if you want to, and you can mount that to a concrete surface or like a wood surface if you want to put it on your porch, just depending on the application you need to do. And then basically you're going to just slide these here into the grooves that are on the sides here, and it locks that base in place just like that. Now, the other thing I was worried about too, when I first got this thing mounted to the ground, was how well it was actually going to stay when I get to pulling on this hose. So I've pulled this hose out probably a couple dozen times now, and the hose is 92 foot in length. Then the base does a really good job of staying in the dirt right here in the surface I've got it mounted to. The other thing I was worried about is every time you roll the hose out and reel it back in, a lot of times those hose reels like to all collect on one side or the other, and then you end up with the hose getting stuck. On this one, it's not really possible because on the front side here, it's got a roller that goes back and forth across on a bar. It rolls that hose up evenly every time for you. You've also got a nice little bracket here on the side that you can store this nozzle here inside of, so you can kind of keep that out of the dirt and keep that thing looking nice. And then I also really liked the hose that this thing came with. It seems to be pretty decent quality. It's got a nice plastic rubber coating on the outside of it here, and then it does come with this little spray nozzle as well. Now this does have multiple functions here. You can twist these through, and it's pretty much the same traditional function that you're going to get on just about every other hose nozzle. What I do like about this is it's kind of got a pistol grip, and then it's got the thumb wheel back here that you turn this off and on with. I tend to prefer these over the traditional style here that have the front trigger. To me, that's just personal preference. You may be a little different. The other cool thing about this hose reel is it can rotate a full 360 degrees. So if you wanted to mount this in a centralized location, this base swivels separately from the actual hose reel itself, and you can put this thing in a central spot, maybe like in your garden or somewhere in your yard, and then it gives you the ability to basically water out 92 feet from this hose reel and 360 degrees around the hose reel as well. Overall, I'm super impressed with this hose reel. I'll show you real quick how this thing looks. I'll go off screen real fast and just kind of show you when I pull this out what that looks like, and you can hopefully see how that hose rotates back and forth on the bar. And then you can lock it in place when you need to. Once you hear it click, like that, now it's locked in place, and then I'll just pull on that, give it a little tug, and it rolls itself right back up, and it's good to go. And then I'll put that right back in its storage compartment. And that's all there is to this little hose reel. Super impressed with this little unit so far. I think it's going to serve our purpose just fine for the spring and summer months. So if you're looking for something a little bit different than the typical hose reel, check out this one made by Giraffe. See if it's going to fit the bill for you. As I mentioned, it's got a 5/8 inch hose, and it's 92 foot in length, which is more than enough to get most jobs done. Other than that, that's all I've got for you in this one today, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you on the next one.